Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update. Welcome back. So here in this lecture, we're going to talk about something called impulse buy. So what is an impulse buy? Picture it like this. It's like the teddy bear that you would buy to your girlfriend on Valentine's Day. Basically, that's an impulse buy, because if you're in a relationship and Valentine's Day is coming close, and you're walking and you come across a bouquet of flowers or a lovely teddy bear, you just look at it like this and you say, "Oh, hold on a minute, I'm gonna buy this," and I'm just gonna buy it. It's the kind of purchase that we don't rationalize. It's the purchase that you do when you go to McDonald's and then you just buy whatever. And after that, you see people eating nuggets, and then you say, "I want myself a couple of nuggets. I just like them." It's on impulse. Basically, logic doesn't really enter that much or factor into the equation. And we all know that in today's world, the decision is, or the human decision is 70% emotional and 30% logical. So if you're going to be in this business of dropshipping, then you need to really understand this core principle. And it is to tap into the emotional side and emotional aspect of things. A lot of people focus on the logical, but this is not what dropshipping is all about. So there's an entire section about impulse buys. And impulse buys generally are really good money makers, because people don't really tend to rationalize them that much. So if you have a store full of these kind of products, then people are just going to buy. If they don't like one, they're going to buy another one. And so you're going to make money. And I have to tell you that the horrible thing about dropshipping is that you have to get a return on investment, because you're investing in Facebook ads, you're investing in TikTok ads, you're investing in all of these types of advertisements. And so you need to get a return on investment. And the thing that most people struggle with is not the fact that creating a store today is a matter of time. There are a lot of tutorials out there, and I'm planning to publish a lot of tutorials to help people create as many stores as they want about anything, right? And I figured that that's not the thing that people struggle from. What they struggle from is capitalizing on their ads and making sure that they get the return on investment. So in the next lecture, we're going to go ahead to AliExpress, and I'm going to show you examples of these impulse buys live on AliExpress. See you in the next lecture. And also, feel free to drop a review right now, since the course is pretty much near termination. Not termination, but near the end. And I would like to get your reviews in order to see how you felt about this course, and if there is something that you think we should add to the course or should add to improve the course, please let me know.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.